Listen. Subscribe for more. Remember, the meaning of any word depends on the context in which it's used. So learn words in context. The topic. Listen.
You got any weapons or anything on you?
Try to understand real-life English to be able to communicate with real people in the street. Listen.
You got any weapons or anything on you? You got any weapons or anything on you? You got any weapons or anything on you?
Listen again with subtitles.
You got any weapons or anything on you? You got any weapons or anything on you? You got any weapons or anything on you?
Phrase. Listen to a quick reference about this phrase.
You use have got to say that someone has a particular thing, or to mention a quality or characteristic that someone or something has. In informal American English, people sometimes just use got. I've got a coat just like this. She hasn't got a work permit. Have you got any ideas? Every city's got its good and bad points. After a pause he asked, you got any identification?
Listen and repeat after the sheriff.
Listen.
You got any weapons or anything on you?
Repeat. Listen.
You got any weapons or anything on you?
Repeat. Listen.
You got any weapons or anything on you?
Repeat.
Repeat from the end, adding one previous word at a time.
Listen.
On you?
Repeat. Listen.
Weapons or anything on you?
Repeat. Listen.
You got any weapons or anything on you?
Repeat. Listen.
You got any weapons or anything on you?
Repeat.
Listen to the phrase in a broader context.
Listen.
Even if your buddy's here and you know you're not supposed to be here, it's still trespassing.
I apologize for that.
You got any weapons or anything on you? No weapons, no knives, nothing like that?
No.
Listen to the phrase in even more broader context.
Listen.
I've seen a buddy of mine, I want to ask him.
What's your buddy's name?
Jeffrey
Jeffrey what?
Henderson.
Henderson. You just made that name up. Sounds like
I
you
didn't
just
make
made
nothing
that.
of it. Truthfully, I don't need you, officer.
Alright.
I ain't got a reason to lie to you.
Even if your buddy's here and you know you're not supposed to be here, it's still trespassing.
I apologize for that.
You got any weapons or anything on you? No weapons, no knives, nothing like that?
No.
Any drug paraphernalia?
I don't do
Any
that.
marijuana,
If I can't get a
heroin?
buzz off the beer, I don't need one.
Okay. I'm just wondering, just asking for my safety.
No, I don't need nothing like that.
Alright.
Thanks for listening. Subscribe for more.
Listening helps to improve.
Don't hesitate to let us know how we're doing.